Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can create the return orders. So let us understand the scenario. So let me go to my sales order first and I will go to sales and marketing. I will go to all sales order. So a few days back, we have created the sales order which is invoiced. I'll open the sales order and here if you see we have provided like the customer order 91 quantities from us. Let me go to invoice, check the invoices as well. Okay, so the invoice is also for 91 only. Okay, alright. So what we'll do, we'll pick this particular sales order and let's say if the customer want to return, this is a sales order. Now the customer want to return this product. Maybe this product got expired or like the customer no longer requires it, or defective. There could be a number of reasons for that. So how we can do this? So what we'll do for that, we'll go to all return orders and I will create a new return order here. Okay, now I need to select a customer. Let me duplicate the tab and I will go to my sales order again. So the sales order was 82. Yeah, this one, sorry, 862. Let me recheck. The customer is this Qantas Retail San Diego. So I need to select a proper customer. So I'll select this customer. And here this RMA return number will get generated. And a sales order will also get created. So this would be the sales order and this would be the return order number. And now here you have this option, find sales order. So you can simply click on this find a sales order. Here it will list down all the sales order. So we are going to return this particular order, like a customer return this order. So if you set this automatically gets selected. So let me show you one thing. Now let's go to our inventory management. Here we go. And we'll go to transaction. Alright, so what I will do, I will simply focus on this one. I will copy this. Just need to see what changes are being done. So this is a 91, like where it goes to our customer, we sold it and ultimately we got some amount for this. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to return this. So I will simply click OK here. Now once I click OK, you will see all the information will get populated on my line. And you see we have this minus unit price is this. Let me save this. And now what I can do, I can simply click on my return order. And the interesting thing is, okay, yeah, let me open or let me duplicate this tab. And let me go to my sales order. So the sales order that got generated is 867. So it's 867. Now you can see currently the return order is, sorry, the order type is return order and this is open order. And 862 is sales order and it is invoice. Now what I will do, I will simply click on return order and I will say OK. Alright. Now once we complete our return order, now we'll click on refresh. Okay, so there is an error. So these are report issue. Now I will update my line. I will click on registration. Here I need to select my code. So basically the customer returned the order, or yeah, I can select the correct one here. Now I will simply click OK. Okay, now if you see currently the status is ordered. I will add our registration line. You see all the quantities and everything is getting populated. And now you see the status is changed here. I'll click on confirm registration. Now this is completed. I can go back and let me try to refresh this. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply say return order and I can click OK. So we can ignore this error. Now further I can post my packing slip. Here everything looks good and I can simply click OK. So to post a document I can say OK. I will close this. Now my packing slip is also posted. Now what I will do, I will simply refresh this. Okay, now if you see, the status of this return order is now changed to delivered. Okay, further, this was the exact 867, right? So let me open this. Here you see, these quantities got returned. Here when you will go to pick and pack, everything is done. Packing slip is done. And similarly, we can generate invoice now. And one more thing, let's see in inventory. I will refresh this. Okay, now you see, so here you see now your inventory, the transactions also, you can see your transaction here as well for sales order plus minus. And here you have multiple, packing slip, and you can simply click OK. And I will say OK. So now in this way you can create a return order and you can do, you can post packing slip and everything. And let me go back here. Let me refresh this. So this was our, RMA number for this customer. This was the customer ID, and if you see the status is closed. You can open this and then you can see what is the actual sales order, its information and everything. Thank you for watching this video.